Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here, and this week is week 6 of the 12 weeks of Christmas. I am completely confused.com, so you have to bear with me. Amanda changed the day of posting the digital papers, and I got completely confused. However, I have managed to sort myself out after a fashion. It's not easy, you know. And I've come up with a little project. Now, these are part of the week 6 papers, and they are a delight. They really are. I love Spotty dotties. I always have. I'm not at all ashamed to say so. It's been one of my things for the longest time, whether it be clothing or this kind of thing. I've got no prejudice, okay? If it's polka dot, it's mine. So I was thrilled to see the polka dot paper evolve. Also delighted with the image that you can't see currently because it's on the project that I've made. There are 3 images and then 2 background sheets, so I wanted to be able to feature the image on the main project purely and simply because, as I've already said on my previous video, it is my all-time vintage Christmas image and I have loved it for the longest time. So without further ado, I will share with you what I've made, and please bear in mind, not only are the papers designed by Scrimpingmommy, but the project I've used, having gone back into the archives of time, is 5 years old and is an Amanda special from back in the day when she'd gone shopping and found something in a shop window that she just knew she could do something with, and bless her, put it into action, and here it is. It is a shadow box, and it is made entirely by hand, using card, using papers, and this absolutely stunning centerpiece for the shadow card. Now, I will link the video below. I'm sure Amanda will be cringing and thinking, you know, why dig up something that old? But I think it lends itself to this project absolutely beautifully. You could put something on the back here to make like a stand and have it as an open card. You know, it is quite a versatile thing. Terribly easy to make. All you need is 1 sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock and to follow Amanda's very clear instructions on how to put the box together, and then it's all, as always, down to decoration. The poinsettia is from a previous freebie. I've utilised my little delicate snowflakes in each of the corners because I didn't want it all to be plain, and I needed to cover the joins of the polka dot paper. I used one of the sentiments which has come out in the vintage Yuletide kit, but I wanted something nice there just to put the banner on. I've used flat back pearls. It really is a retro project, but I absolutely loved making this. I'll give you some sizes because it is important. It would make a nice wall hanging, you know. It's all sorts to everyone. So that's 6 2/8 square. And then the depth is a mere, half an inch just over. Your aperture is 4 3/4. So you could actually pop anything in there that you liked. Great for grandkids using their favourite images, or, you know, comic, whatever it is they're into these days. But it is that kind of thing. You could just put a ribbon at the back and use it as a wall hanger, as I say. Put the stand on the back, which would allow it then to be a feature Christmas card. If that's what you wanted to do, you could make a lid for it and send it off as is for a boxed Christmas card. It doesn't have to be strictly used as a shadow box project. It's one of those things that, you know, you dictate once you've decorated it what you want it to become. So I hope you've enjoyed sharing this with me. As I say, I will link the tutorial for the shadow box below the video, and I will be linking Scrimpingmommy anyway, because it is her digital papers, and bless her heart, she is just keeping me busy, which is never a bad thing. So thank you, Amanda. It's been fun working on this, and I just know when you see it, you'll just remember and think of better days, because they were there. This is when we were all naively thinking, you know, that we could conquer the world with one hand behind our back in the craft arena. But it is a pretty project, I hope you'll agree, and it does share the best of that wonderful image. So thank you for sharing this time with me as always. I have, just as a recap, put the dotted paper on the corner just to keep that nice and secure. Put it around the top of the shadow box and actually inside, so that there is an awful lot of polka dotty going on. Thanks again for sharing this time with me. Take care, everyone. Stay well and have a great weekend. It's almost upon us. Happy crafting. Bye-bye for now.